Hello, uh, hello everybody. Welcome back to another video. Today's video, we are checking out the new backrooms update in Animal Company. My friend is here. He's already seen it. I haven't seen it yet because I haven't been on VR. So sorry that I'm late to the party. So let's go.
Wait, how many skins do you got?
Skins? I don't know, but
Oh,
we're gonna need.
a backpack.
I'm just
We need,
guess.
we need,
I'm just.
yes, we need, we need, um, travelers.
This
We
loadout would
need,
work, right? Right?
we need a ball light. We need a big light, fast light.
Okay.
Then, get some health things. And, get a baseball bat or a crowbar just in case. Or a blue sack or some, and get some revolvers. Ow!
Go get some heals.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah, follow me. It's in the office.
I figured.
Don't turn on your phone light yet.
Don't turn on my light yet?
Nope. Until we get to the back.
Is it dark in the back rooms?
Kinda.
Kind of?
Blues are the blues are the darkest stuff, but you can.
Don't tell me anything yet, okay? Don't tell me what there is, cause I've never. Whoa, what's this? What? Oh, this is the back rooms?
Yep.
Gotta go through here?
I am. I was playing Animal Company doing this update, and you need some food.
What is this? I don't need prune juice. I don't need prune juice.
Yes, you do. Like for later, yes.
For later?
Just in case. Yeah. Because you're gonna lose your sanity.
Oh, you lose sanity?
Yeah. Fruit juice is like almond water.
Oh shoot.
I know where the way is. I know where the way is. Follow me.
I need prune juice, remember?
I know.
Okay, which way do we go?
Just follow me. It's right over here. I can go over here.
Is there a monster in here?
Just wait till for later, yeah.
Prune
And I can
juice.
just.
Oh wait, that's mine. I forgot. I didn't pick it up. Damn it. Oh, there's one right here. And another one. I need prune juice. Ooh,
Right here.
prune juice. Prune juice. Prune juice. What the hell is that sound?
Oh, fucking no. Oh my god, it's bright.
Okay. Go in here. Oh, I hate this.
What?
Where? Okay.
There's two fruit juice, what? You get that fruit juice over there.
Okay. What? Okay. Where do we go?
If you see some black spiky ball, for flash, because this, yeah, then drink the fruit juice. You really need it. Come in. Follow the light. Follow the light. We're not going there right now, but there's an exit over there. But right now, let's go to the pool rooms. Right over here.
I don't want to. What the hell was that sound? What the hell?
Oh, get your prune juice, get your prune juice, get your prune juice right now.
I got my prune juice. I got it out. Oh, I hate that. That jump scared me so bad. Ready?
Yep. Are you gonna get that prune juice, or I can keep it?
I'll get it. Come on. Wait for me.
Pick a slide. Pick a slide.
I don't want to.
Just pick the random slide. Are you gonna follow me?
Yeah, I'm following you. Okay. Where do we go? This is low-key kind of fun. Oh, I have claustrophobia. I have it, bro. I hate this. Ugh. I hate being in tight.
Then go to that big yellow slide.
Come on.
If it's
Okay. Now where are we? Oh! Oh my god! That's terrifying. Where are you, buddy? Buddy! Buddy!
I'm right here, I'm right here.
Oh my god, you poor guy! What does it say? It's everywhere. I couldn't stop them. It never ends. That is okay. That is a little weird. Where do I go?
It didn't come. Oh,
Oh,
I see
there.
you, I see you.
Okay.
It just followed you.
I just followed you.
Follow me, follow me, follow me. We are not going back to the pool rooms. Okay, we'll go over there.
Okay.
Hold on, I can't believe one.
The flashlight. Okay. What happens if I jump down and I might die? I'm not gonna do it. Okay. Wait for me.
The light god is gonna save me. I'm here.
Oh, I hate this.
See, are you scared?
A little bit, not too bad. Oh shit,
I got a revolver, I got a revolver, I got a revolver. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Hold up, let me get my revolver.
I went through the door. I already went through. I need to heal. These are my prune juices, baby.
Oh my god. Like,
How can I? I can't revive you! And I died. What?
Good. That was good. Cool.
That was fun. That was fun. I could not get to you though. What other things did they add? What else? Did they add new stuff? Clothing? New outfits, maybe? Ooh. Oh, really? How?
Go to the shop and like buy some stuff.
We can actually make our own backrooms. Backrooms lamp. Wow. Okay. What is that? What the heck is
It's
this?
a pillar. Backwards wall.
Oh, he left. Alright, well, while he does that, while he's gone, real quick, I'm gonna... Let's see. 7.5...
White,
Oh, he's back. What?
first time I made this game was like a white tiger. So
I know. It was a white tiger, but I've changed it a few times. I was a goat. I was a goat not too long ago, but then I changed back to a shark. I was a shark, but now I'm a blue shark instead of a white shark. Where'd you go?
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color? I don't really know. I don't really have one.
Mine's red.
Yours is red? I can tell. Well, that was something, guys. Well, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.